flex test. Lifted van meet, March 1st, 2025. Let's take a look at the vans here. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. I got my wish. I really like these things. And one's at the meet. Look at this Promaster. Nice. There you go. He's got the awning out too. Ryan light bar. I'm gonna show everyone with our Ryan light bar. Five vans with the Ryan light bar. Here's the oddball of the group. My buddy's going through a weird Prius phase. He actually has two vans. We're gonna get this thing lifted. Yeah, stop real quick.
You're not gonna believe what happened to me.
No,
I exited.
action van lift. What happened, man? Oh, nice. What? You going mudding?
Yeah. And then my GPS took me the wrong way. Instead of taking the main road, I was off-roading for like 30 miles by myself.
Dang, you made it through though.
Shit, I was like, oh, I'm about to go home.
You made it, man. You made it. You went mudding.
We went off-roading, dude.
3 left in the March 2025 lifted van meet. I was gonna leave because I wasn't sure about the snow and it's cold, but Ryan has some extra propane. I was worried about Gray Kid, but now Gray Kid could have the heater all night. There you go. Dang, Ryan's hooking us up. He hooked me up with propane and some steak here. Woo. And we're supposed to get a little snow. So why not? So there I am right there. Ryan delivered my food. What a nice guy.